Hi everyone, welcome to Doll Studio YouTube channel. My name is Sasha and today we're going to be unboxing all of the Bratz dolls in the Goin Out series. First we have Goin Out Chloe. I bought Chloe before all the other girls, but I will be opening them all in this video. So the front of the box is a little plain but nice, and the back has cute little pictures. Her nickname is Angel. Her style tip is be authentically you, self-express in the way you dress. Her fave going out activity is taking pics of our style and fits. Passion for fashion, but you already knew that. This Chloe reminds me of Cassie in her Oklahoma outfit from Euphoria, where she's freaking out because all the girls think she's trying out for Oklahoma, but she's dressed real country and she doesn't even know it. So we have the little pink brush, her bag, which is functional. It's really cute. I haven't seen this silhouette of bag before in Bratz, but I really like it. Let me know if you have though, and I just haven't seen it before. I was thinking about these dolls a lot and I kept seeing them and thinking, do I really want them, and what is it about them that's making me question this? And I think it's the jackets. Like, this jacket is definitely a choice, and a choice that I would not have made. It's like trying to give Chanel vibes, but it's not. It's giving like I only wear this at home to do the chores. So it's gonna be removed and I think I'll like it better. And I'm kind of the same with Yasmin's jacket, so we'll see. I really like the lace-up stitching details on the sides of her pants and the little frills at the bottom. That's really cute. And she has really cute and individual style shoes. They lace up and tie up at the back in a neat little bow. And she has this cute little gingham top on. Her hair is full of gel, so I will be washing that and then displaying her. Her glasses are glittery, which is really cool because they are not functional at all. Like in the human world, if you had glitter in your sunglasses, you'd be blinded, but it's Bratz, so she can do what she wants. I reckon she looks pretty cute without the jacket. So here we have all the other girlies. We've got Sasha, Jade, and Yasmin. I'm very excited to open all these dolls, and I'm pretty lucky to have the whole set. It's been pretty hard to buy a whole set of dolls in the past because of money and also availability, so it's pretty good that these are widely available. This is Bunny Boo. Her style tip is confidence is key. If you got it, flaunt it. I'm also really captivated by Sasha's face, and also her hair is wavy, which is really cute. Here is Jade. Her face is slaying and her micro skirt is so cute. Her bag is the only thing that is yellow, which is strange, but I actually really like it. Her nickname is Cool Cat. Her style tip is don't theorize, accessorize. Her fave going out activity is retail therapy. I don't know about those glasses, we'll have to see. Here we have Yasmin. She has a really cute face. She has a little satin dress on with little corset moment. The back of the box is really cute. Her nickname is Pretty Princess. Her style tips is thrifting. And her favorite thing going out is Froyo with all of the toppings. First, I want to open Sasha. Sasha is my favorite character from the Bratz because she has my name as well, and she looks good in everything, so I've loved her forever since 2001. Who is your favorite Bratz character? I haven't really talked about Bratz too much on my channel yet, but I am a massive Bratz fan. I have over 130 Bratz, maybe more because I can't find them all, but I will be doing a whole collection video. And comment below how many Bratz you have and how long you've been collecting for. Also, when I collect them, I don't usually keep them in their original outfits because I like to see how their faces and hair look with different color schemes and different fabrics, and I like to mix outfits together to make my own looks, which I've always done since I was a kid anyway. But yeah, I don't really keep them like that, and I usually have like my entire collection being chaotic, and I don't have a whole set of this. Like, I don't have a whole slumber party set, and I don't have a whole Rock Angel set. Like, I have like one doll from this set, one doll from that set. But obviously, if I had the lotto money, I would get them all. But I love the dolls that I do have, and I have lots of favorite dolls. I won't talk about them now because I can't think about them off my head. But Sasha has always been one of my favorite characters. Here she is. She has a really cool jacket. She's in her like Formula 1 era. This hair needs a little bit of restyling, but the gel in it is making it a bit hard. So when I wash it, it's gonna look great. Look at the face. The yellow eyeshadow, you know, you don't think, yes, yellow is gonna be good today. But honestly, she looks so good. It's a little like smoky look, and the lip color is really nice too. I like that she still has lip liner like the original girlies, but in a good way. Straight at Bratz, it says on her outfit. Do you remember in the series when they were spies for Byron Powell and they had to figure out what was going on at like the racing, and it was basically like the girls became Formula 1 drivers and they won the race and they figured out the mystery? Like, what can't they do? They can do everything. Oh, and the boots here, they're not like fabric, but they look like fabric, which is pretty cool. So like, they're not going to age badly, which is nice. And I really like the bottoms of her shorts, sort of like Chloe's. I like how they sort of tie in all the girls with little details into the collection. Here she is with the sunnies, and I would not look good in these sunnies, but once again, Sasha slays. Orange brush. What do you think of Sasha? Now we're gonna open Pretty Princess. Yes, so let's address the jacket. I, first of all, don't like this fabric on any clothes. Like, any collection of dolls, I'm just not for this fabric. I think I just don't like the feel of it, and I usually don't keep them. So I need to take it off so fast. Her shoes are really cute. She's got a pearl necklace and pearl details on her shoes, and this nice pinky purple color. And she's got that for her brush, her bag, and her glasses, while her dress is a cute little lilac. I can't fully see the picture on her corset yet, but I want to see it. I'm really liking the face silhouettes of this collection, and I haven't seen these types of eyebrows that Yasmin has on any of the Bratz, but I'm really liking it. It's like they're super duper styled and sleek. What do you think? I want to hear what you think about all of these Bratz. Personally, I actually like it better when they're not articulated because I like the playline arms better. But that's just like a preference from nostalgia. It is fun though that I can do little stop motions with their arms and make little videos. Next up, we've got Jade. Last but definitely not least, she is so slaying this collection, and might I say, I think she's rocking it the best. She's got her pink and red color scheme going on, and her hair is so sleek and pretty, and she has these cute little curtain bangs. Her glasses, I don't know. They would not be a style choice that I made, but it's Jade. She's gonna look good. Her shoes are really cute. They lace up as well as Chloe's, but higher up. Here's a little yellow bag moment that I really like. It also functions and it's the same sort of size as Chloe's. And I've never seen Jade be this edgy before. If you have, let me know. But she's totally giving like Roxy Rock Angels vibes with the jacket. And even like baby Roxy wears the leather jacket. But Jade is making it look really, really cool. I love her soft eyeshadow mixed with her bold lips and dark hair. It looks really, really good. Her micro skirt is everything. Her top says doll. And I love the lace on the skirt as well. It's really, really cool. Here are her shoes. I've never seen Bratz shoes like this, so that's pretty cool. And they're very bold. I love it all. What do you think about this Jade? Putting her glasses on, it's definitely just like instant coolness. And I'm very surprised. Like, how cool does she look? She looks like a boss. Like, you don't mess with her. You don't say no to her. Here they all are with their accessories and jackets on, except Chloe because I already put hers away. But what do you think? Do you like them with everything going on, or would you like them like me and sort of strip them down a little bit? So I put their bags and sunglasses in storage, and I will see how I like their outfits without their jackets. Here they are without their jackets, and instantly Yasmin is 1,000,000 times better. It's actually giving Pretty Princess now. She looks fabulous. Jade looks pretty good, but I think I liked it with the jacket better. And Sasha's looking amazing, but I also like it with the jacket better. I like that she has the animal print top. What do you think about this collection? Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more doll content, leave a comment below, and have a good day. Bye!